Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can store your XRP on the Ledger Flex. So first thing, just open your Ledger account, and then from here you just have to tap on add account. So click on that one, and then from here you just have to choose a crypto asset. So click on it, and then it will show you a bunch of crypto from here. So since we're going to be storing XRP, we're just going to type in XRP on the search bar, and then you just have to tap on the result. So after that, just tap on continue, and then from here you just have to close this one since it's already added, so it's in here. So after that, just tap on this one, and we're gonna click on receive. So you just have to put the account credit, so tap on continue, and then here is the address for the XRP. You can check the wallet address on the device to just make sure that it's the correct one. So after that, you just have to copy it, and then tap on done, and then go to the any account that you're going to send your XRP from. So let's say, for example, Binance. So from here, you just have to tap on fiat and spot, and from here you will see a bunch of crypto in here. So on this side, this is the XRP, so we're gonna click on the withdraw, and then from here you're gonna put here the wallet address that we've copied earlier. So it will show you this message. So you just have to tap on confirm. And on this part, you just have to put here the ripple. And then for this one, it is optional, so you can just skip on that one. So in here, you just have to put here the amount of the XRP that you're going to send. So after that, you just have to tap on withdraw and make sure to confirm the transaction. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!